Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings on Samsung phones. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch settings on your Samsung device. Now once you are here, simply scroll down below until you come across this option of General Management. Now simply tap on this option of General Management. With that, you'll come to this page. Now scroll down again and then tap on the option of Reset. Now once you are here on this page, you can see various options. Now tap on the option of Reset Network Settings. With that, you'll come across this page. Now tap on the option of Reset Settings. Now, in case if you have any lock or pattern enabled on your Samsung device, you would have to enter that over here before tapping on reset. However, in my case, I do not have any security locks enabled on my device, so I would not have to enter that over here. Now, after you have entered your security lock or pattern or codes, simply tap on the option of reset. Now you can see that your network settings has been reset. So now you can again enter your network settings according to your preference and then use your Samsung device accordingly. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.